welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm model Lori Ann. Y'all, today we are doing a little unboxing. Mystery box makeup unboxing. So this mystery makeup box is by W7.
Mm-hmm.
This one is from Amazon. I think it was around like $20. So W7, you know, was categorized as like drugstore makeup, I believe. So I'm excited. I've been waiting to unbox this. Let's see what we got. Let's see, let's see. All right. Let's see what we got. It's torn. Ooh. Ooh, they pack this. Look at that, y'all. Love it, love it, love it. Awesome, let's see. I'm definitely gonna do a try-on video where I use the products. But I like to do that separate, so we're just gonna go through it. So first we have some primer, Cool Prime, Cooling Face Primer. With aloe vera. Cute. How's the cover? I'm not gonna open it. Very nice. Ooh, nails. Y'all, look at these. Pre-glued nails. Super cute. Those are gorgeous. Instant manicure press-on nails. So let's see if it... Pre-glued, so I guess you don't need glue. It just says select your correct nail size and place on clean natural nails starting at the base of the cuticle. Press and hold firmly. Okay. This is eyeliner, lip liner. Let's see here. White eyeliner pencil. So some white eyeliner. Cute. I've never used white eyeliner. I've had white eyeliner, but I've never used white eyeliner. Ooh, yes. Clear lip gloss. Look at how clear that is, y'all. Ooh. So clear. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Clear, brilliant lip gloss. Yeah, this is some clear lip gloss, y'all. Very chic packaging. Cute. Okay, I'm loving this so far, y'all. I'm shaking this because it has sparkles, so my first instinct is to shake. Glow on. Ooh, look at that reflection. It is highlighter drops. Ooh. Glow on highlighter drops. Okay. Definitely have shimmer in them. And it looks kind of blue, so let's see. Definitely have sparkles. that. That'll be interesting. I'm not gonna test it now. I know I want to test it now, but I have like a full face of makeup on, so I don't want to mess it up by chance. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, let's see what this is. Lift and Tint. It says Thickening Brow Mascara, Ash Brown. I'll show you the back. Love it. So let's see what this looks like. Yeah, vegan friendly. Ingredients, not too many ingredients. Let me see if I can. This was still keeping it nice. So it says it's thickening. Oh, it's brow mascara. Yeah, that makes sense. Ooh, this is kind of cool. I love the colors. The turquoise and brown. It goes good together. Let's see. Okay, so like this for your eyebrows. I feel like I'm gonna love this because, you know, I definitely I usually use eyebrow pencil. I have naturally great eyebrows, but this looks like it'll be perfect to fill them in while brushing them. Very nice. I'm excited to try this. Okay, we're getting there, So far, these products look amazing. The only thing I won't likely use is like the white eyeliner. Okay, we got some lipstick. Looks like a little shimmer pink shade. Pretty, pretty. Coconut ice. Okay. Open this here. I can get the thing started here. There we go. This. See what it looks like. Ooh, pretty. That's really pretty. Look at that shimmer. Definitely my vibe, definitely my colors. Shimmery pink. I have so much pink lipstick. I love that. Okay, I got a few more things. Ooh, mascara. Okay, Fancurl Mascara. Nice. Cute, cute, cute. Ooh, eyeshadow. Mixology eyeshadow palette. Look at this. Let's see, that's super cute. Let's see. Ooh. Hello. It's got some silver, some pink, some purples, some browns. These are gorgeous. Mojito, Cosmopolitan, Manhattan and Espresso Martini. I love the vibe. Yay, I'm excited to do my makeup with these. Okay, there's nothing on the bottom. And the last thing, maybe this is a moisturizer. Let's see here. Blueberry Overnight Lip Mask. Ooh, okay. I haven't tried many lip masks, but now I will be trying this one. Lip mask. Blueberry Overnight. I wonder if it's gonna smell good. Blueberries. It smells good. That smells good. It smells like, it reminds me of like a candle. Like it's thick. Look at that, smooth, y'all. It definitely smells like blueberries. Yeah. Awesome, awesome. It matches my shirt. Very nice. So that's what all came in the box. We'll do a little recap. Blueberry lip mask. We had our white eyeliner. We had our mascara. Our eyebrow mascara. Primer. Nail girly. Shimmer lip balm, lip stick. I love that, so gorgeous. Glow drops. Clear lip gloss. And our beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm impressed. I would give this box, I mean, I haven't used the products, but opening it and seeing what they gave in the variety and like how, I think the only thing I'm not gonna use is the white eyeliner. So I would, so far before trying it, I would give it like 8.5, 9 out of 10 unboxing. So stay tuned because I will be doing a video of me trying the products, of course. So thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe, be safe, be you. Bye.
Modellarian, Pondicine, Model glorious, so ascribe it, fire queen, beauty and grace, Psalm 91.